The Hatteras Hangout, why Ripple and other white sharks stop mid-migration. Ripple, a subadult male white shark tagged in collaboration with the Tancook Islands Marine Field Station, has shown some interesting movement since his tagging about 3 weeks ago off Mahone Bay, Nova Scotia. Ripple's basically started his fall migration, and he's cruised southward, covering over 1,000 miles in just 14 days. But his most recent pings has shown that he's had a sudden slowdown and changed his course by moving to a more northwesterly path. This is something we've noted in previous years. There's often an interesting stopover behavior in this region, where some white sharks hang out in the Cape Hatteras region for a period of time. It can be days or even weeks, right in the midst of their migration. Now, there are a couple factors that could contribute to this behavior. Firstly, there's a faunal break off Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, which is kind of an invisible boundary line that marks the transition point between northern and southern waters. And it's caused by the convergence of two major currents, the warm Gulf Stream, flowing northward along the coast, and the cold Labrador current flowing southward. So Ripple moved into the heart of the Gulf Stream. He got into surface water that was about 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Maybe that was a little too warm for Ripple at this point of his journey, and he may have had to turn back and find water that's a little cooler. But in trying to consider this stopover behavior, we have to also consider the fact that the continental shelf narrows abruptly off the Cape Hatteras region, and the area along the shelf break brings localized upwellings that trigger plankton blooms. And the plankton attracts bait fish, which draws in large predators like tunas and sharks. So white sharks like Ripple could be stopping here because they came across an abundant and readily available food supply. The reality is that we don't know for certain why this area has become a shark stopover, but it does happen. What do you all think? Or is he in line for the Cape Hatteras all-you-can-eat buffet?